Hello and welcome to All Taste German. If you like fast recipes which taste amazing, then you should give this German pork tenderloin recipe a try. This dish is ready in just 15 minutes. Peel the onion, cut it into halves and slice. Cut the pork fillet lengthwise in half and then cut it into small slices. Then melt the butter over medium-high in a large pan and sauté the onions and the garlic paste for about a minute. Add the meat and fry it for a couple of minutes. Then add the sugar and the mustard and fry for another couple of minutes. Add the Worcestershire sauce and the heavy whipping cream. Now you just need to season with salt and pepper and simmer it on medium-low for about 5 minutes. Serve with noodles, rice or mashed potatoes and a side salad or vegetable dish. Guten Appetit!